Okay, more about Trump. Fighting with Israel still. Israel and Iran. Oh, that's
Earthquakes
terrifying.
strike without warning, shaking cities and changing lives in an instant. In this video, witness real security footage capturing some of the most intense seismic moments from around.
So shelter.
These astonishing scenes were recorded in China's Sichuan province.
I don't know. I think they said this was in Japan. I don't know Japanese, but I think they were going, "Oh, what the hell? What the fuck is going on?" I think that's what they were doing.
Everything seemed calm, but in an instant, a nearly 7.0 magnitude earthquake took drivers on this road completely by surprise. Even ships aren't safe during a powerful earthquake. A video from a customs port in Indonesia shows how violently the water began rocking the ships after just a few tremors.
All you can do is just hope that your boat doesn't just sink. Get out of there, lady. Come on. She's walking like a NPC in a movie. Well, I guess you can't exactly run without risking running and falling or hitting your head.
This scene looks like it's straight out of a horror movie, but it's actually
I half expected it to just eat her.
real surveillance footage from Sula Island in Indonesia. Powerful 7.2 magnitude earthquake struck a region in China. People managed to evacuate before the collapse, but they were still terrified as they watched the building come crashing down.
Indonesia and China does not seem to have the best time with earthquakes. Damn.